Measure accurately and confidently with Milwaukee Tools wide blade tape measures with the longest reach, straightest standout. Delivering up to 17 feet of reach, these tapes let you take longer measurements and reach further. The straightest standout delivers efficient and accurate measuring. The blade is reinforced with a 6-inch anti-tear blade coating and nylon bond blade protection to keep you measuring day after day. An impact-resistant 5-point reinforced frame withstands drops on the job site. Experience up to 17 feet of reach with the Milwaukee wide blade tape measures, delivering the longest reach and straightest standout.